Are you interested in passive income, securing your retirement, financial freedom, or leaving a legacy for future generations? Are you seeking the expertise, the network, and the system to successfully invest in positive, cash-flowing rental properties? Let's face it, many investors know real estate is the best investment vehicle available and that 8 out of 10 millionaires made their money from real estate, but they suffer from the idea that they have to invest in their own backyard or do all the hard work themselves when it comes to owning rental properties. If this sounds familiar to you, I want to introduce you to my Turnkey Rental Property Accelerator program, which was designed specifically for people like yourself to help you identify the top-performing rental markets across the U.S., purchase fully renovated rental properties that have quality tenants in place, and a local professional property manager that handles all the day-to-day management of your property to keep your investment performing for years to come. This program also helps you finance these properties with as little as 20% down regardless of credit or income, which means someone with as little as $15,000 down payment can buy one of these great investment properties. This program is a truly done-for-you, passive investment opportunity, and there is no cost to you when working with our team. The best part is, each property has a positive cash flow of up to several $100s a month from the day you purchase it after paying the mortgage payment and all of the expenses. So if you want more information how we can help you successfully invest, click the button on this page to learn more, and we look forward to working with you.